officials are describing very specific scenes, but do they actually have a video?
The fact that we are able to go into such great detail, obviously, I'm not going to spell out what is in our possession, but I will leave it to you. I will leave that to your judgment, your imagination.
There are no facts that you've spelled out.
Coming days. Do you have evidence that this was intended to come out in the coming days?
We've said, Ben, for some time now that the Russians have positioned forces. They have undertaken preparations that if Putin decides to move forward with an invasion, they're positioned to do so. They are poised to do so.
In the coming days. I mean, is that a timeline that you felt that this was going to happen imminently?
Well, we know what they are planning for. We know the contingencies that they have engaged in. And again, these are the kinds of steps that they are poised to undertake if that decision is made. Our goal in all of this is to deter an invasion, to deter this type of activity. So we certainly hope it doesn't take place. We are making clear what we know so that in the event it does take place, it will be clear to the world what this actually was and what it was not.
And the pre-positioned teams, when do you suggest they were pre-positioned? Are we going back months? I mean, or is this a more recent sort of deployment?
Well, this was something that we made public several weeks ago now. So several weeks ago, we said that information available to us indicated that Russia had already pre-positioned a group of operatives to conduct a false flag operation in eastern Ukraine.
Was it recent at that point? Because if they had come across just a few weeks ago, that would be a Russian aggression across the border, which you've warned time and time again would result in, severe consequences.
Ben, you know that the sort of hybrid activity that we've been pointing to, much of it has been going on since 2014. Obviously, we're very attuned to any Russian aggression against Ukraine that may take place in this atmosphere, given the heightened tensions. Andrea,
can you, in any way, describe your level of confidence at which you have not suggested, at how far along in the planning this is? At some level of planning in terms of their possible operations.
The facts, Andrea, that we are able to go into such detail, the fact that we are able to do that with